Hello everyone, welcome to your very own Empower with Knowledge channel. In this session, we'll be discussing on the recent issue that a Pune-based farm being funded by the Union government. Before going into details, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon as well so that you get updated about every activity of our channel. Recently, it has come to news that a farm in Pune, Maharashtra named Seagull BioSolutions is on the way of developing a vaccine for coronavirus, which is being expected to be developed within next 1.5 years. Seagull BioSolutions is also going to be the first company in India to avail the financial assistance from the Union government. They are also aiming for producing at-home test kits for COVID-19 diagnostic. For both the cases, the company will conduct their research based on Active Virosome technology, or in short ABT. We'll discuss about it moments later. The Department of Science and Technology of Union Government has agreed to fund in their research and to undertake the development of active virosome vaccine and immunodiagnostic kits for COVID-19. The Seagull BioSolutions Pvt Limited was founded in 2011. Its headquarters is in Pune, Maharashtra. The company comprises mere 10 employees, Mr. Vishwas Joshi being the Chief Executive Officer of it. Their prime objectives are focusing on biotechnological development and commercialization of developing new technologies for healthcare applications. Earlier, they have developed a mammalian expression system termed as eSAME technology with an aim to produce recombinant protein, viral vaccines, and therapeutic agents. This eSAME technology can be implemented to develop new gene therapy agents. In the eSAME technology is used RNA-dependent RNA polymerase of the vaccine strain of measles virus for gene expression. The eSAME system can also be used to produce replicating and non-replicating measles viruses that can be used in new viral vaccines and virotherapeutic agents. Now, coming to Active Virosome technology, or in short ABT. The ABT developed by the Seagull BioSolutions is to be used for the production of vaccines and immunotherapeutic agents. In general, the ABT method involves production of novel, non-hazardous active virosome agents. These will be used in developing the vaccines in combating coronavirus. This ABT platform developed by this company has in previous successfully been implemented in developing vaccines for Ebola, Zika virus, chikungunya, and dengue. This company has for long been proactive enough for the betterment of human healthcare, and also in this utmost need, they are doing their best to find cure of it. We can definitely expect a optimistic future in coming days. So this is it for discussion. If you like this session, please do like. If you have any suggestion, opinion regarding any content, feel free share to via comment section and share it among as many people possible. We'll soon meet in another session. Till then, be happy, stay safe, and thank you all.